Hey, welcome back. So let's talk about Dogecoin. And what is Dogecoin? And why is Dogecoin important? Is it because Dogecoin is the new gold? Is it because Dogecoin is going to the moon? Or because Dogecoin is a distributed database that allows parties to transact in a trustless and seamless way? This one is very hard to reply, right? Because you can say any of this about Dogecoin. And if you disagree with me, continue to watch the course where we are going to discuss all these items. Dogecoin, ticker symbol Doge, is a peer-to-peer decentralized open source cryptocurrency. Technically speaking, it's actually quite similar to Bitcoin regarding the way it works, but we will look at the differences later in this course. Dogecoin is considered an altcoin. We usually call altcoin, short for alternative coin, to almost every cryptocurrency except Bitcoin. Dogecoin is also a meme coin. It was created just for fun, and its creators never thought that it would become a huge success that we see nowadays. Dogecoin was launched in December 2013, and it has the image of a Shiba Inu dog as its logo. While it was created as a joke, Dogecoin's blockchain still has quite a lot of merit and has some amazing technical features from its predecessors, Lucky Coin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. The underlying technology is derived from Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Lucky Coin. And some important features of Dogecoin are the script algorithm, its low price and uncapped supply. I would say that there are three main components that now define Dogecoin. First, the memes. People love the Dogecoin meme. Doge going to the moon and everything about Dogecoin is lighthearted, welcoming, fun, and kind. Because everything about Dogecoin is more relaxed, it attracts people that are not interested in participating in crypto politics that sometimes overtake the community in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Memes are also a big component of the millennial and Generation Z, the younger generations. Memes are fun, easy to relate to people, and can easily go viral on social media. Then we also have the community. The nature of the community is amazing. The Doge community is kind-hearted, welcoming, helpful, and generous. It's also one of the biggest crypto communities. The Dogecoin subreddit, r/Dogecoin, has almost 2 million subscribers, which is quite remarkable. The Doge community has also the capacity of coming together for common goals, especially related to charity. The community has fundraised multiple causes in the past, which is awesome. And here you can see, I will talk later about the community, but the community mostly comes together on Reddit and also Discord and Twitter. Yeah. Okay. Now the technology. Dogecoin is designed to be a fast, cheap, and security. We are going to lay down the details later on this course, but Dogecoin is much faster than other first-generation blockchains like Bitcoin. The Dogecoin blockchain is also designed to handle a higher number of transactions in a secure way. This results in a better throughput and low transaction fees. The transaction fees are usually a few cents. Dogecoin makes it very easy for micropayments, for example, for tipping, paying coffee with Dogecoin, and so on. Dogecoin has also implemented DigiShield, allowing the difficulty adjustment, or the mining difficulty, to be adjusted every block. This basically means that even if a lot of miners join or leave the Dogecoin network, it will adjust in order to keep the blocks being created every minute and to keep the blockchain more stable. More details on this later. So very high level, this is what blockchain the Dogecoin blockchain is. Join me on the next lesson.